good, y'all. It's the Gifted one. Today I'm here to talk about a very special new product, the Stix from Yokan. This is their new oil cartridge pen. So we're gonna do a little bit of a test run here. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think. But this is it. This is some of their brand new technology. What's so special about this is it's got this new technology right here. It's a mouthpiece and your oil container at the same time. So these are interchangeable little pods. That's your coil right there. That's your mechanism for temperature regulation. So you can take this out with you and like you'd have different juices, different concentrates, whatever you need in your bag. If you wanted to switch between juice to a concentrate, you know, if you get through work and it's that time of day, I don't know how you do it. That's how I do it. But yeah, so you can just carry a bunch of these, and then, you know, if it gets a little dirty, it's a mouthpiece too, you just throw it out, start again. So we're gonna give this a little run, see how we go. There's a full pod for you. So now, I'm ready to smoke. Just wanna get rid of that right there. Screw on my coil. Hit it 5 times to turn it on. 3 times, changes the temperature mode. Green's medium. Pretty sure blue's the strongest. It's really nice. There you go. If you're looking for a new juice pen, Stix might be for you. Definitely check it out, puffpuffpass.com. Links are in the description. Brand new product from Yokan Technology. Check it out, let us know what you think. Comment down below, subscribe, thumbs up, everything. Peace out.